casino. We hit the bonus at 50 cents dinam, 12.50. All right. The music's pretty loud. I think we should be fine. This is loud. Come on, give us something nice. Don't make it. One more. All right. All right. Now triple major will be great. Triple major right now is perfect. We get something. A minor maybe? A minor, triple major? Oh, it's okay. Not bad. $150. We have 4 more spins. Hopefully we land something bigger. Alright. Come on, keep it going. More money. Oh. Oh, it's all the way. All the way the king and the jacks, all the way. Alright, let's keep it going. And the last spin, make it nice, make it nice, make it nice. Okay, no complaint. Pretty good. Thank you so much for watching.